What's up YouTube? How's it going? My name is Juan Drakauskas. If you're new to this channel, I talk about affiliate marketing and the tools you need for an affiliate marketing program and money hacks to help you start generating passive income. Today we're going to talk about funnels. 3 basic funnel types, right? You have a lead magnet funnel, a squeeze page funnel, and a bridge page funnel. Those are the 3 funnels we're going to talk about. If you don't know what a funnel is, I talked about the difference between a funnel and a website on a previous video. I'll link it here somewhere, so go check that video out. Right? Funnels are powerful because they take a user on a step-by-step journey until they purchase something from you. Also, you're not confusing them with excess amount of information that they don't really care about. And if someone plans on buying something from you, they're gonna buy it. So if we can make it easier for those who want to buy from you, you're gonna have a lifetime customer. And that's why I love funnels so much, because you get to build a relationship with your customer. There are 3 different types of funnels. There's many types of funnels, but we're only going to cover 3 types today. The lead magnet funnel, which is what you see here, it's similar to an opt-in funnel, except you're actually giving somebody something in exchange for their email address, right? It could be a report, it could be a video. It's typically something tangible that they're exchanging for their email address. And I'll show you in a little bit when we go over when we actually look at the funnels and show you what these look like. A squeeze page funnel. The only goal of a squeeze page is to get somebody to give you their email address. It's a little bit different than the lead magnet funnel. These pages, they have very few distractions. Most times you don't even have to put a logo on the page or any complicated footer or extra links. But just keep in mind, the #1 secret to a higher conversion rate on a squeeze page is to use curiosity-based headlines, right? This way, then they have to put in their email address to click submit and figure out the answer to the question that you asked. The better the curiosity, the more likely they're going to give you are going to give you their email address. The last type of funnel we're going to talk about is a bridge funnel. And this is when you need to connect 2 different people, or you want to pre-frame the thing that you really want to sell. And this is helpful for affiliates or network marketers who don't control the pages they're sending their visitors to when they're ready to sign up, right? The pre-frame bridge, it gives you the ability to pre-sell them before sending them into a funnel that you don't really have control over. Okay guys, I'm going to show you real quick these 3 different basic types of funnels. Okay guys, we're here in my Clickfunnels dashboard, so I wanted to show you the lead capture page and the thank you page for this lead magnet. So when you go here and you click on lead magnet, you're basically giving your user or your customer something for free in exchange for an email address. Once they give you their email address, then you provide them with a thank you page. Okay, and then now this is the squeeze page funnel, and remember that one of the main goals of the squeeze page funnel is to squeeze the email address from the customer or the user. And the way you do this is with an enticing headline, and then you give them access to that one thing that they want or they need, or whatever it is that you're providing them here in the headline. So once they go on to the next step, then they're going to have a video or something indicating them or showing them what they have to do next, what they have to do to go on to the next step. That's the squeeze page funnel. Okay YouTube, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I left 2 links down on the description. One is for a 14-day free trial for Clickfunnels, and the other link is for the 1 Funnel Away challenge. If you have not taken that challenge, please take the challenge. If you're thinking about starting an online business, if you have an online business, whether it's a small business or a large business, take the challenge. I promise you, you're going to benefit from it. If you decide to use either link and need any help, reach out. I'm going to help you during your journey. These are affiliate links. I want you to be successful, and I also want you to learn and really actually take advantage of these tools that are out there for you to utilize. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and that's all I have for today, guys. Peace.